In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-column layout in Notion. If you want to organize content side by side in Notion, this is a simple and very useful technique to learn. A two-column layout can help you make your page look cleaner, easier to read, and more visually balanced. It's especially helpful when you want to place related information next to each other, like notes on one side and action items on the other, or a heading beside supporting text. To get started, open the Notion page that you want to split into columns. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want this layout to appear, because the columns will be created directly in that section of the page. Next, add two blocks. These can be simple text blocks, headings, or other basic content blocks depending on how you want to structure your page. The important thing is that you have two separate blocks ready to place beside each other. If you're just practicing, using two text blocks is a quick and easy way to begin. Once both blocks are on the page, move your cursor to the side of one of them until you see the handle appear beside the block. Click and hold that handle. This is what allows you to move the block into a new position. Now drag that block to the side of the other block. As you move it, pay close attention to the visual guide that Notion shows you. You're looking for a vertical blue line because that line indicates the block is about to be placed in a column beside the other one rather than above or below it. When you see the vertical blue line in the correct position, release your mouse to drop the block there. At that point, Notion will automatically create the two-column layout for you. After the columns appear, you can adjust their width to better fit your content. Move your cursor over the divider area between the two columns, then drag it left or right to resize them. This is useful if one side needs more space than the other, such as when one column contains longer text or larger elements. Once everything is positioned the way you want, use the two-column layout to organize your content side by side. This makes your Notion page feel more structured and can improve both readability and overall presentation. With just a few quick movements, you can turn a basic page into something much more polished and efficient.